Angular is a front-end framework. It is used for building single-page application using HTML and TypeScript. Angular is quite big and complex framework, due to which many newcomers feel challenging to understand. But I can say if you follow proper steps to learn Angular, then I guarantee you it will not be very complex. So, in this course, I will teach you complete Angular concept from basic to advanced. But learning lots of concept won't help you to be a good Angular developer. To learn most out of the concepts, you have to code it yourself, or you can practice it again and again to understand the core concepts. So, what I have decided is we make a small project after every concept. In this way, we can understand the core of any Angular concepts. Before going to learn Angular, the first and foremost thing is to have basic knowledge of the prerequisites. Yes, there are some prerequisites to learn Angular that are HTML, CSS, basic JavaScript, basic TypeScripts. If you know JavaScript, it won't take time to learn TypeScript. So I recommend you to check some basic concept of these topics. You need not to have expert on this. Gradually, along with Angular, you can learn deeper concept of HTML, JavaScript and TypeScripts. So now let's talk about some key features of Angular. The first one is easy to use. Everything in Angular is structured, which allow us to write lesser code even for a complex websites with compared to other framework. The second one is cross-platform. Angular is a cross-platform framework. It allows us to create progressive web app, native mobile apps with Cordova, Ionic or native scripts. The third is speed and performance. Angular turns your code template into code that highly optimized for today's JavaScript virtual machines. Angular app load quickly with the new component router, which delivers automatic code splitting. So users only load code required to render the view they request. The fourth one is modularity. Angular allows to make separate modules for separate features. The fifth one is testings. In Angular with Karma for unit tests, you can know if you have broken things every time you save the code. Thank you.